Hello friends, many times we may need to move item properties from one location to another. Though it is rare, but yes, sometimes we need it. In this video, we will learn about how we can move registry item properties from one location to another. Move-item property is a command that moves a property and its value from a specified location to another location. In example, we can see the use of this command. MP is an alias for this command. Seeing this example, you can easily guess why I always encourage to use alias. You can easily guess how alias reduce code write time and code length itself. Command has 17 characters, but its alias has only 2 characters. Path parameter is used to specify location where property exists. This parameter accepts wildcard as well. Destination parameter is used to specify the path to the destination location where item property need to be moved. In example, you can see the use of both these parameters. Name parameter specify the name of property that need to be moved. Pass-through parameter returns output on console as well. By default, there is no output from this command. Confirm parameter is used to get confirmation prompt before running the command actually. It helps us to be double sure about our action. In this example, we can see all these three parameters are being used. Finally, what if parameter shows what would happen if command runs without running it actually. In example, we can see the use of what if parameter. Now let's recap. Move-item property moves a property from one location to another. Path, destination, name, pass-through, confirm, and what if are some parameters of this command.